Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix screenshots and not saving in the pictures folder on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. On left side you just need to make sure you selected user shell folders. On right side you just need to copy this text guys. Copy the first text and after that on right side you just need to right click on the blank area and select new and select string value and paste this text we copied and press enter and click on OK. In my case I already have this so that I am getting the error. You just need to double click on it and then you just need to copy and paste the second text used in my video. Just to copy and paste the second text and click on OK to save changes. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.